Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar, Childish Gambino. Yes, we know about that guy. Alright, this is one of the latest releases here recently, and yeah, many songs coming out there. I picked a few. This is one of them, Real Love, okay? Fits guitar very well. We have a 4-chord progression here, and it goes in the same way through the entire song. It's clean on the fretboard, no need for any capo. Everything is great, actually. So let's start with the chord run through here. We're gonna start with C. All right, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next, and that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, first E, and we have a bar chord, finally the F, okay? So you bar the first fret, you bar all strings there with the index finger, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. So there you have the chords. So yeah. And just to mention, we have the chords in the same order we just learned. So that means C, G, D minor, F goes through the entire song. And just to have some technical stuff here, from G, you can easily go to D minor. What I do here is to keep the third fret B string with my ring finger there. All right, and that finger I'm staying with on the G when I go to the D minor and have that prepared. I like this little guitar hacks to make it easier with chord transitions, for instance, and everything else when it comes to technique. So that's just a detail there. Let's learn the string pattern. So if we go to the first chord, this is the C. So one string around that fits this song very well goes down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, so down, clap, down, down, clap. So down, clap, down, a short pause, and then down, clap. And then you go like this. So a couple of rounds will be. So if you speed up this just a little bit and you're gonna play one string around per chord in the order C, G, D minor, and F, it will sound like this. Alright guys, so that is Gambino's Real Love, and that is exactly what I feel for you guys. I actually am so enjoyed to see this family growing here on Garden Guitar, subscribers and all you guys who build this up. It's you guys, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and yeah, continue liking tutorials if you do that for real, and also subscribing to this channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much. Until next time, play tuned.